Module 3 is entitled Influences on Human Behavior. Human behavior is influenced by a complex interplay of factors, including biological predispositions, personal experiences, social interactions, and environmental conditions. These influences shape our thoughts, feelings, and actions, impacting everything from our choices to our interpersonal relationships. The biological factors includes genetics, physiology, and motivation. For genetics, our genes can predispose us to certain behaviors, personality traits, and mental health conditions, though they don't determine our behavior entirely. Physical health, age, pain, and substance use can all affect our behavior. And in regards to motivation, basic needs like food, water, and sex, as well as social needs like belonging and achievement, drive our actions. In regards to personal factors, our personality traits, including openness, agreeableness, influence how we interact with the world. Our beliefs and expectations, including our beliefs about ourselves and the world, and our expectations about outcomes, can significantly impact our behavior. Our emotions, our mental health, our relationship with family and peers, what culture we belong to, the environment, and learning through classical and operant conditioning, we learn to associate stimuli with responses, leading to change in behavior. These are all influences on human behavior. Upon completion of this lesson, the student will be able to recognize the various influences on human behavior and identify the types of parenting styles, distinguish between behaviors that may be viewed as normal in one culture and absolutely abnormal in another culture.